Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's video, we are covering one of the most popular emotes in Clash Royale, that is the princess emote. Let's get over on how to unlock it. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to get it, and let's get started with the video. First, you know that emotes like princess are usually available during special events or shops. They are usually available in shops as well. So keep an eye on the shops. It will be regularly available there as well, and you can buy it using gems or even coins in some random times. They often return in emote shop as well, so keep checking daily because old emotes cycle back in rotation and you can buy it from there as well. Sometimes Supercell brings it back in seasonal events or challenges, so you might want to keep an eye out on the seasonal events or challenges. Another way is through special bundles in the shop that includes gems, goals and exclusive events or emotes. If it is currently unavailable, don't worry, Clash Royale regularly recycles emotes, so it will come back eventually. So these are some of the ways to get the princess emotes in the Clash Royale app, and that's how you can get the princess emote. And keep an eye on the emote shop and special events as well. You will snag it when it returns. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more Clash Royale guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.